7 egg-based weight loss breakfast ideas. Hi and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Get inspired to start your day the healthy way with our 7 egg-based weight loss breakfast ideas. Discover new ways to transform the humble egg into mouth-watering breakfast delicacies that won't ruin your diet. Each recipe is simple, scrumptious, and targeted toward those who want to shed some pounds while enjoying a healthy breakfast. Stop skipping the most important meal of the day. Bring back breakfast into your weight loss journey with our collection of exciting recipes. Number 1. Broccoli Cauliflower Breakfast. 170 calories. Starting your day with a broccoli and cauliflower breakfast containing approximately 170 calories offers a healthy and weight loss friendly option, packed with nutrient-rich vegetables and protein-packed eggs. These breakfasts provides a satisfying combination of flavors and essential nutrients to support your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for broccoli and cauliflower breakfast. 1 cup broccoli florets, about 100 grams. 1 cup cauliflower florets, about 100 grams. 2 large eggs. Salt and pepper to taste. For optional, herbs and spices for seasoning, such as paprika or garlic powder. Here is the process for making broccoli and cauliflower breakfast. Number 2. Egged with tomato and bell peppers, 310 calories. Starting your day with an egged with tomato and bell pepper breakfast containing approximately 310 calories offers a healthy and satisfying choice for weight loss. Packed with protein-rich eggs, vibrant tomatoes, and flavorful bell peppers, this breakfast provides essential nutrients and a burst of flavors to fuel your morning. Here are the specific ingredients for egged with tomato and bell peppers breakfast. 2 large eggs, about 140 grams. 1 medium tomato diced. 1/2 medium bell pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. For optional, herbs, spices for seasoning. Here is the process for making egged with tomato and bell pepper breakfast. Number 3. Quinoa with avocado and egg, 270 calories. Quinoa and avocado with egg with around 270 calories is a nutritious and weight loss friendly breakfast option. The combination of protein-rich quinoa, creamy avocado, and a perfectly cooked egg provides a balanced blend of nutrients to support your weight loss journey and keep you satisfied throughout the morning. Fuel your day with this wholesome breakfast choice for a nourishing start that promotes both health and taste. Here are the specific ingredients for quinoa with avocado and egg breakfast. 1/2 cup cooked quinoa, 1/4 avocado sliced, 1 large egg, salt and pepper to taste. For optional, herbs and spices for seasoning, such as chili powder or cumin. Here is the process for making quinoa with avocado and egg breakfast. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Avocado and egg breakfast, 290 calories. Indulging in an avocado and egg breakfast with approximately 290 calories offers a nutritious and weight loss friendly option to kickstart your day. Combining healthy fats of avocado with a protein-packed goodness of eggs, this breakfast provides a satisfying and flavorful meal that supports weight loss goals while keeping you energized and satisfied. Here are the specific ingredients for avocado and egg breakfast. 1 medium avocado, 2 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste. For optional toppings, herbs, spices, or hot sauce for added flavor. Here is the process for making avocado and egg breakfast. Number 5. Veggie Egg White Omelette, 150 calories. Indulging in a veggie egg white omelette with approximately 150 calories offers a nutritious and weight loss friendly breakfast choice. Filled with protein-rich egg whites and assortment of colorful vegetables, this omelette provides a satisfying meal that supports weight loss goals while delivering essential nutrients. Here are the specific ingredients for veggie egg white omelets. 3 egg whites, 1/2 cup mixed vegetables such as bell peppers, onions, and spinach, about 75 grams, salt, pepper, and herb spices for seasoning. Here is the process for making veggie egg white omelette. Number 6. Avocado and egg toast, 280 calories. Starting your day with avocado and egg toast containing approximately 280 calories offers a delicious and weight loss friendly breakfast choice. Combining the creaminess of avocado, protein-rich egg, and goodness of whole grain bread, these breakfasts provides a balanced blend of nutrients to keep you satisfied and energized throughout the morning. Here are the specific ingredients for avocado and egg toast. 1 whole egg, 1 slice whole grain bread, 1/4 avocado, salt, pepper, and herb spices for seasoning. Here's the process for making avocado and egg toast. Number 7. Egg and vegetable breakfast burrito, 300 calories. Starting your day with an egg and breakfast burrito containing approximately 300 calories offers a satisfying and weight loss friendly option packed with protein-rich eggs, a medley of flavorful vegetables, and wrapped in a whole wheat tortilla. These breakfasts provides a balanced combination of nutrients to keep you energized and support your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for egg and vegetables breakfast burrito. 2 whole eggs, 1 whole wheat tortilla, 1/2 cup mixed vegetables, salt, pepper, and herb spices for seasoning. Here is the process for making egg and vegetable breakfast burrito. And that concludes our list of 7 egg-based weight loss breakfast ideas. Do you happen to know any egg-based recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. This way, you'll be always up to date on the best and healthiest foods available. And every bite, a taste of health and delight. And that is Healthy Bites. Bye!